Hey there, today I am excited to share a Shopify success story with you. We will explore how one of our Shopify client achieved impressive result. Let's start by looking at some impressive number from the past year. I am on Shopify Analytics dashboard. Here is the total sales of the last year, which is almost €500,000. That's amazing. And here is the organic traffic. This business received almost million of organic traffic. This is the total order, which almost 48,000 orders. So every time someone made a purchase, they spent average $13. We started working from here and now we are here. Now let's discuss what we did to achieve this outstanding result. First of all, let's talk about the content. There are over 15 type digital product and we are not offer any physical products. We published over 10,000 niche relevant SEO optimized AI articles. Each article length almost 2,000 words. Actually, we did keyword clustering and cover all type of niche relevant keywords. Because Google loves topic cluster. That means if you cover all type of keywords in your site, Google always loves you. All the articles were published in March 2023 and the website performance significantly improved in June 2023. So after we are waiting 3 months to see this result. Now let's dive into the SEO strategy. Actually, we did not done any extra technique. We built over 20 hero backlinks and more than 50 plus guest posts and niche backlinks. We primarily use net and brand anchors. Sometimes we used few keyword relevant anchor to diversify the anchor profile. We always avoided the exact match anchor. Exact match anchor is the not good for any website. Okay, that's it. If you are looking to grow your Shopify business, don't hesitate to contact me. I will happy to help you to achieve the similar result. Thank you for taking the time to watch our Shopify success story. See you the next video.